हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस ऑडियो में मैं आपको डिक्टेट कर रहा हूँ वर्ड्स सर कैलाश चंद्रा मैगज़ीन की एक्सरसाइज 23 से लेकर 34 तक सिलेक्टेड वर्ड्स हैं। आप इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं और जो आउटलाइन आपको ना आती हो, मैंने टेक्स्ट दिया है और डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक है, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू। Please get ready for words from exercise 23 to 26. 5 seconds. Start. Tendency, mobilize, contrary, contrasted, disturbing, investment, enthusiastic, exhorting, exchequer, explains, rediverting, disappointment, hitherto, strain, diverted, assigned, financial resources, economic situation, visualized, framed, assume, sentiments, dedicated, politician, occupation, retired, illustrious, deserves, clarification, secretarial, misgivings, convenient, insisting, automatically, discretion, prescribed, formality, consolidated, grateful, respective, ordinate, autonomous, uniformity, academic, confines, preservation, manuscripts, assistance, imposition, efficient, humiliating, discharging, disparity, prevails, upgrading, marked, appalling, marginal, contribution, vicinity, grudge, citizens, regeneration, designed, expectations, experimenting, swore, collegiate, reluctant, eternal, tinkering, integration, professors, colleges, ultimately, permissible, envisage, universities, judiciary, meddling, hammer, causing, pupils, weakening, highways, provincial, physical, regions, network, presume, expanded, pattern, arguments, discovered, satisfactorily, compelled, medium of instruction, stop. Please get ready for words from exercise 27 to exercise 30. 5 seconds. Start. Plight, toiling, foreign exchange, pitiable, plantations, coffee, Cinchona, rubber, regrettable, independence, insecure, collapse, frequently, dependents, guardians, unhygienic, compounded, flung, utterly, vestiges, colonial, emergency, championships, ameliorating, champions, decade, qualifications, convention, bipartisan, campaign, assignment, unusual, leakage, constructive, exchanging, leader of opposition, strengthen, Congress Party, newspaper men, extremely, scrappy, useless, publicity, ministerial, dispassionately, complicated, assessment, constituted, conversant, arisen, confidential, handful, competent, advisory, diversification, aiming, presidency, pattern, landed, regime, advancement, parish, persists, hampering, vision, railway board, continent, inflicted, perpetuate, impede, locomotives, children, conclude, negotiating, functioning, expecting, absolutely necessary, it is necessary, tribunal, preliminary, hindered, indifference, cadre, callous, pursuing, comprehensive, mode, quantum, exaggerations, unreality, adequately, dilate, enunciated, anticipated, howlage, unavoidable, fruitfully, impossibility, collieries, executing, fulfillment, significant, faster, sincere, transport. Stop. Please get ready for words from exercise 31 to exercise 34. 5 seconds. Start. Passengers, unanimous, emphasized, rapidity, laborers, amenities, privileges, leisure, stressed, emphatically, fringe, breathe, hurdled, saddled, implying, tightening, shoulder, liability, realize, encouragement, articles, correctively, avoided, wagons, seriously, shortage, parliamentarian, dwelt, frightful, consequences, imprudent, suicidal, reinstatement, propriety, strikers, disobeying, ordinance, intimidation, sabotage, interfered, extract, mounting, generate, exigencies, context, justifiable, mobilization, envisaged, belied, sensitive, merrily, virtually, prohibited, yields, existent, absorb, hesitant, reacted, Rajya Sabha, expectations, planters, nonchalantly, gardens, inspecting, device, acreage, hectare, occupant, deprive, compensation, shelter, foreign exchange, productivity, contended, piecemeal, comprehensive, participation, deteriorated, unanimously, enforcement, acquired, library, plantations, Britishers, nationalized, economically, eradication, degrading, disheartening, poverty, cardamom, coveted, rammed, subscribe, exploiters, inimical, conducive, contended, estates, draconian, discriminatory, invidious, hectares, realistic, crutch, viability, liquidation, emphatically, ridden, hoarding, default, stringent, discretion, defaulting, mandatory, imprisoned. Stop.